Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. Today in this video we'll be doing a revealing teaser of Dadar finance launch, Sangvi Moria. As you can see, I am standing at the actual location. This is the land parcel. Now let me show you the main road. As you can see, the surrounding in the neighborhood. As you can see, behind is the Dadar railway station, very nearby to the location. Now in this teaser, we'll be discussing about the below following points: project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discounts, offers and many more. But before going forward, first let me tell you what is Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price and 100% guarantee. Unlike other current listing platforms whereby if you just do an inquiry, your number gets shared with multiple brokers, resulting in lots and lots of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream home right now with your favorite developer through Housey. As you can see, this is the actual construction site where construction is going on fully swing. Talking about the project overview, it's a standalone tower having G+21 story residential floors having premium residencies of 2 and 3 BHK. Talking about the location part, this project is located at LJ Road opposite Shiv Sena Bhavan, Dadar West, Mumbai. Talking about connectivity, Dadar railway station is 4 minutes walking distance, Western Express Highway is 8 minutes drive, Eastern Express Highway is 4 minutes drive, and International Airport is 20 minutes away. Now talking about the amenities part, this project has 20 plus luxurious amenities with likes of rooftop swimming pool, sky deck, kids play area, clubhouse, gazebo, multi-purpose hall and many more. Talking about the carpet area, this project has 2 and 3 BHK premium residencies. 2 BHK has 613 to 681 square feet carpet area. 3 BHK has 908 square feet carpet area. Now let's discuss about the booking process. Project booking window is open. Client can come and visit the site. Our sales team will explain the complete project in detail with the help of a 3D model. We'll tell you the pricing and a payment schemes too. We'll show the actual location of the project. And if the client like it, they can proceed ahead with the 10% of agreement value. So everyone, this was the entire teaser of Dadar most finance launch, Sangvi Moria.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.